Hello, good afternoon everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again in this channel. Okay, so today or this time I'm in Sanur area. You know what, last night we had really big rain, almost like a whole night rain, and suddenly today the weather is very good. So I would like to do motovlog again, and I will drive you around here in Sanur area. Probably I will go to Jalan Mertasari and Jalan Cemara, and also a little bit at Jalan Tamblingan, guys. Let's see what is happening today in Sanur. And by the way, I still have list of hotels that request from some of you guys. I tried to contact them earlier, before, but I didn't get any reply. It's okay, I think, because how to say it, it was really busy, Christmas and New Year holidays, so all the hotels, I think, in Bali, they have their guests. So probably next trip, I will just visit them and let's see the situations at the hotel, guys. So don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. Okay, so this is Jalan Danau Poso in Sanur, and now it's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is the situations, guys. The situation is okay, not really busy, and the weather is very good, sun shining. And last night it was like heavy rain almost whole night, guys. And this time I will take to the right here to that street. That is Jalan Sekarwaru. So let's go and see what is happening there. And also I'll continue to Jalan Mertasari, guys. Okay, let's go. Here there is a small warung. I don't know what is the name, but it looks nice. And this is Jalan Sekarwaru in Sanur. As you can see, there are a few private villas, I think, around here. Like here on the right side, on the left side. And there are a lot of, local people that live here. As you can see, here on the right side, this is the, family temple. It means the local people live there. And there are a lot more houses along that small street or alley, guys. So if you think you like to stay around here, short term, but probably most of them long term, you may do so. You can have a look. There are so many villas around here also. Here on the right side, it looks nice from the picture. It's colonial house. And also there are a lot of local warung, guys, like this, where you can buy some fruits or snacks, drinks, and for sure I think the price is cheaper if you go to supermarket or mini mart. And here, if you go to the right, you will go to Mertasari beach, but this time I will go to the left. So this is Jalan Mertasari. Last time I came here, I came to Mercure Hotel. And the location is there in the front of us. And here in front of the Mercure Hotel, guys, I think it was kind of like a cafe or bar before here. Unfortunately now, as you can see, nothing here. Let's see in the future, it will be a new business maybe. And this is Mercure Hotel in Sanur. If you want to know how is the hotel, you can search my previous video about that hotel, Mercure. And they have their renovations as well, but some of them are open. Some of their rooms. Here there is nice villa Cassis or Chassis, not really sure how to pronounce it. And here, if you go to the right, you will go to the beach, guys. Look at the door, very nice carving. Next to it here, there is restaurant. This restaurant last time was open, but I don't know now. It's closed. And this is Gardenia. They have their rooms for you to stay, and they have the restaurant as well. And here there are some shops, of course, where you can do some shopping. The massage is open, guys. And there are a lot of small warung also. Last time I came there to Jalan Cemara, but this time let's keep driving here. This is Jalan Sudamala. Here on the right side is the Akana Hotel Sanur. Last time I came there also. They have nice hotel, nice room, good pool as well. And here there are some restaurants, guys, or cafe. See, you can come here and watch sports game. And here on the left side, this is Sanur Hotel. There's also another nice hotel here. And there on the front, on the right side, is Warung Jawa. As you can see, it's very busy, guys. There are a lot of people like to have lunch there. Okay, so we are back to Jalan Danau Poso. Let's keep driving and let's see more, and later let's drive to Jalan Danau Tamblingan, guys. Here there are some small bars. Nice bar. And here as well, Sanur Beer Garden. They still have some renovation. Yeah, they're putting what you call that, fan, I think. But of course, bars or Sanur Beer Garden by this time not busy because it's daytime. Maybe not a lot of people like to drink by this time. They are enjoying their lunch and maybe go somewhere to visit places in Bali and come back at night time or evening to drink some beers or cocktails maybe. Here also, guys, is some bars. They are open but still empty by this time. But so far in this area, nothing much is happening. Yeah? I mean, not so many tourists roaming around, and street situations also very smooth. So it's considered quiet actually. And this is roundabout, and if you go straight there, you will go to the beach. But this time, let's drive here to the left. We are entering Jalan Danau Tamblingan, guys. Look at this here on the left side, the Massimo Gelato. Not really busy, consider, because last time I passed by, it was so long queue. And here, nice to see some tourists roaming around in this area. Some shops, all the businesses around here are open. Restaurants, trattoria, Apa Kabar restaurant, they are open. And here on the right side as well, Batubara Grill, Sanur Steak and Wine, they are open too. But yeah, like I say, still quiet. If you go to the right, you will go to Duyung Beach. But let's keep driving, guys, and let's see more about this street. Here on the right side is Hyatt by Regency. Look at that from here. It's a very nice hotel, isn't it? And last time someone asked me about this restaurant, I think. This Naga restaurant. Naga 8. They are open. I can see from here there are quite a lot of people there enjoying their lunch, guys. Okay, so let's continue here in the front of us. This is the Andas. It's a nice place to stay as well. Here on the left side, there are a lot of businesses open. Kokoya Japanese restaurant open. And here, Paradise, they have cafe and gym and shops. Hotel Jati or Jati Homestay. And here on the right side, I think maybe most of you know, this is Maya Resort Sanur. They have one in Ubud. But I think for me, I like it better the view in Ubud because it's jungle view by the river. And here by the beach, guys, it's just a different preference. But about the room, I'm not really sure. Maybe, of course, it's a nice hotel. Should be a very good room. And here on the left side, the spa is open, Camellia Spa. And here, Nesa Kombi. There are some people there. And next to it here, the El Comando restaurant also, they are open. But the same situation, most of them are quiet. But look at this here, guys, the Watu Gym Bar, they are open and quite a lot of people there. And here there are so many shops that selling souvenirs or handicrafts, like here on the right side. And earlier we passed by on the left side, so there are so many options for you if you like to do shopping around in this area. Here is Cafe Smallgrass. And look at this, guys, this is Billy Cafe and Restaurant. It's nice to see there are some people there. Because normally I pass by, not really busy all the time. I mean, it's considered quiet all the time, but today they have their guests, guys, which is good. Look at that. So many people here, which is good to see that. And here is the Lagawa Hotel, and next to it, as you can see, a lot of business here. But I think this Indian restaurant still not open yet. Yeah. You see in front of us, still quiet. But next to it here is, what is this? Anomaly Coffee. It's open. Here Casablanca, of course, still closed by this time. And next to it here, it was a cafe I think before, but unfortunately now it's gone, yeah. But let's see in the future if they will open again. Spa is open, and here is Swiss Bell Resort, Watu Gym Bar. It's not a nice hotel. Here on the right side is Wicked Parrot Restaurant. They are open by 3 p.m. So now it's just 1 o'clock, so still closed. But if you like this Japanese restaurant, here on the right side, Soya, they are open already, guys. I think they open for lunch and dinner. So what do you think about this area in Sanur, guys? So what do you think about Sanur area, guys? Do you think you like to stay around in this area? I think it's a very nice area, especially if you want to have more relaxing area compared than Kuta or Seminyak. But of course there is no party around here, guys. They have some bars or cafe, but not like in Seminyak. So if you like to do some party, you definitely need to stay at Seminyak area, because there are so many beach club or clubs there, like Potato Head or maybe La Pavela, and also a lot more, guys. I forget all the names. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Sanur. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.